Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with a different sort of video this week to my usual. I'm going to be painting Ork or Orruk flesh, depending on what you play. With the new releases coming, I felt it was time to finish up my boy squads. The plan is to take a few different methods and just see which one it sort of makes it most efficient to paint the army. I will say now though that there's no wrong way to paint greenskins since they're a fantasy race. Paint them however you wish. All the test models were primed in Vallejo Grey Primer, and the first test is just a straightforward Ork flesh contrast. This is by far the quickest and simplest method I have used on this. For the second method I tried, I went with a base colour of Iyanden yellow, followed by a once over with Ork flesh. I did try this method both ways as well to see how it came out. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I think I'm leaning more towards starting with the green and going over with the Iyanden yellow. Up third is a bit of a mess that came out nothing like I remembered it would. This is sun yellow followed by a green tone all over. Last time I tried something like this, it went a lot greener, but if you're looking for a more tanned skin orc, then this is still pretty good. And it has that hint of green in there. Now for the fourth method, I went for a more traditional way of painting greenskins. I start off here with a base coat of angel green, followed by a wash of Athonian camo shade. With the wash dry, I come in with greenskin to bring out the raised parts of the muscles and the face, leaving that darker green in the recessed parts. To finish up, I went with an all over edge highlight of the face and the tops of the muscles with intermediate green. Finally, the last method I tried is similar to the last one, but a little more lighter and a little bit more detail brought out. I start off with greenskin as the base coat for this one, and once that was dry, I went with goblin green to bring out all the highlights on the muscles and the facial features. After the goblin green dried, I went for the next highlight, covering a slightly smaller area than the previous using moot green, which is the brightest green I have. I would have used a scorpion green, but I just don't have it. There is one final highlight after this and using dead flesh. This is a sort of yellow green that works perfect for highlighting up green. Before I got this colour though, I did just mix in a few drops of yellow into the moot green and it worked the same way. To finish this off and tie it all together, I gave the skin a once over with green tone. This blends all of the colours together and helps just hide some of the sharp contrast changes with the colours. And that will be it for 5 ways to paint Orc skin. Well, 6 if you count the 2 methods method 2 allows. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be using for my boys yet, but there are some viable options here. I will probably be using the 5th option for characters since they need a little bit extra love compared to the regular troops. If you have any questions or have your own methods for greenskins, join the Discord using the link below and show them off. There will be photos of these boys on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages if you want to take a closer look at how they turned out. If you want to help support the channel more than you already are, you can check out my Ko-fi page. There you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me buy new equipment and improve the quality of my videos. Like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.